Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. Once you have the image pulled up, the first thing I want you to do is convert the layer into a smart object. You right click, click on Convert to Smart Object. Next, we're going to go to Filter and select Liquify. Now Liquify will open its own window and we will primarily be playing with the pucker tool and the forward warp tool. So I like to start with the pucker tool with a large brush size. Pucker tool allows you to compress the image. I like to start with the center of the model's body and work my way around. So just start with gentle taps until you get comfortable. And once you get comfortable, you can start pressing and holding to intensify the effect. Then switch to a smaller brush size to cover areas such as fingers, belt lines, and the contours. Next, we're going to move to the forward warp tool. Once again, I like to start with a large brush size and move the outer contours in. The important thing to remember here is to go slow and always start with a bigger brush before moving to a smaller brush. Next, I'm going to move to a smaller brush and work on the model's waist. Also, make sure to check and uncheck the preview button at regular intervals. Next, we're going to move to the face-aware Liquify. Notice we didn't touch the face when we were using the forward warp tool and the pucker tool. That's because there's a special section, as you can see, for the face-aware Liquify tool, and I'm just playing around with the settings. Let's look at before and after of the image as well. Clean it up a bit. I'm gonna crop it a little bit from the bottom. I'm also going to use the Reconstruct tool to fix the waist of the model because it looks a little unnatural right now. And now let's go back and look at before and after. There you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Until next time.